guys, welcome back to Divine Times 2. And today I am going to make peanut butter. My family loves peanut butter, I love peanut butter, so why not just make it at home? And it will have honey in it, that's our favorite. This is 4 cups of peanuts. Now, I got the dry roasted and salted. It does have sea salt. This is the brand that I got. All right, now the honey, oh, and this I bought it at Walmart. Okay, all the ingredients, they're all from Walmart. Okay, I bought this honey, and I got sunflower oil. Okay, and this sunflower oil, the company that makes the sunflower oil is women owned. So that's a good thing. All right, so let's start processing this first. So I am just going to process this and then I'll bring you back. All right, this is about a minute of, a minute and 30 seconds of processing the peanuts. Now I am going to add some oil to my peanuts. Now I did have it on high. I was processing it in high for the minute and 30 seconds. Okay, let's start with 2 tablespoons of the sunflower oil. Okay, let's see how it goes. All right, let's continue. Okay, I'm going to add another tablespoon of the sunflower oil, because once we hit it with the honey, it's going to make like a thick mass. So let's all right. Okay, now let's put some honey, and we love honey. So right about now I am going to put like 4 tablespoons of honey. I mean, if you like less, by all means put less honey, but I love honey, so and the oil, the leftover oil in the tablespoon, the honey just falls right off. See? Clean. All right, now remember, once you do this again, it will become like a ball. Let's see. Okay, not too bad. Okay. Going to add another tablespoon of honey, of oil, of the sunflower oil. And I think it should be it, because it is 4 cups of peanuts. check the consistency. It's a little bit too thick for my taste. Too thick. All right. One more tablespoon of sunflower oil. I mean, we did use 4 tablespoons of honey. So let's see. Hope this is it, guys. No more oil. And I don't need to add any salt because the peanuts already come roasted and salted. Okay, now this is the consistency I like. Okay, try it. This is amazing. This is delicious. Perfect with the sweetness of the honey. The roasted peanuts are delicious. Enough salt, so I don't need any added salt. It is divine. This is delicious. You are going to love this. Now, I did buy these containers. This is a 2-cup container. Okay, and it has its lid. And I bought this also at Walmart, and it's from the brand Mainstays. Okay, so I am going to add this peanut butter to my 2-cup, and then I'll be back. The 4 cups of roasted peanuts yielded 2 cups of peanut butter. Okay, and nothing is better than your homemade bread with peanut butter that you just made. Okay, delicious. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Loved making it for you. Remember to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, okay, and don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you won't miss out on any of our future videos. Remember, staying kind, positive, and divine. And leave your comments down below. Love you. Bye.